Nothing smells like holidays than fresh baked bread, right? In this video, I am going to be sharing with you my favorite Irish soda bread. It is so flavorful, it's just amazing. My husband named this bread as the Gliss bread, the golden lemon Irish soda bread. And we're going to be using a lemon zest and a mix of raisins to make this absolutely flavorful. And the best part is there's no yeast involved. That makes the whole process so much easier. There are various combinations of making this bread, but just once I would highly suggest you to try exactly the way I am showing you in this video. I am sure you're going to love it. So let's go to the recipe. To begin with, we're going to add 2 cups of plain flour. To that, I'm going to add half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cold butter, 1 handful of both golden raisins and black raisins. To that, I'm going to add 1 lemon zest. Also, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of sugar, giving this a gentle mix so that the butter is all mixed with the flour. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. Now my buttermilk is salted, that's why I haven't added any extra salt. Once the mixture is well combined, we're just going to flatten it a little bit. Transfer it to a baking tin. Feel free to add some more raisins if you like. Now we're going to do the slit cuts. That's it. The bread was in the oven for about 35 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It smells amazing. Now let's cut this and give it a taste. You have to do justice with this bread by having it fresh baked out of the oven with some room temperature butter. It smells so good, I can't even tell you. This is so good. Perfect balance of the flavors. It's not too sweet, it's not salty, it's just the right balance of everything. And that lemon zest with a mix of black raisins with this melting butter, it's literally melting in your mouth. If I had to eat bread and butter on a daily basis, this is the bread I would want to have it. I'm not kidding, it's so good and flavorful. I can't wait for you to try. Let me know in the comments if you did like this video and share it with your family, and happy baking. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.